crash course on United Kingdom, UK, music and performing arts. Welcome to a crash course on the vibrant music and performing arts scenes of the United Kingdom. Get ready to be thrilled by fascinating stories and examples that will ignite your excitement for the artistic world. Let's dive in. The United Kingdom has a rich and diverse musical heritage, encompassing various genres and styles. Here are a few interesting stories and examples to excite you. 1. The Beatles. This iconic British band from Liverpool took the world by storm in the 1960s with their innovative sound and infectious energy. Their music continues to inspire generations of musicians and fans alike. 2. The Rolling Stones. Formed in London in 1962, the Rolling Stones became pioneers of the British rock scene. With their electrifying performances and rebellious attitude, they've become one of the greatest rock bands in history. 3. The Proms. The Proms is an annual classical music festival held in London. It features a series of concerts, including the famous Last Night of the Proms, where audiences join in singing patriotic songs and waving Union Jack flags. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that highlight the music and performing arts of the United Kingdom. 1. Royal Albert Hall, London, England, a world-renowned concert hall hosting a variety of musical performances, from classical to contemporary. 2. The O2, London, England, a massive entertainment complex hosting concerts by international artists and popular events. 3. Edinburgh Festival Fringe, Edinburgh, Scotland, the world's largest arts festival, showcasing a diverse range of performances, including theatre, comedy, and music. 4. Royal Opera House, London, England, an esteemed venue for opera, ballet, and other classical performances. 5. The Cavern Club, Liverpool, England, the legendary venue where the Beatles performed in their early days, still hosting live music acts today. 6. Manchester Arena, Manchester, England, one of the largest indoor arenas in Europe, hosting major music concerts and events. 7. Celtic Connections, Glasgow, Scotland, a celebration of Celtic music and culture, featuring concerts and events by local and international artists. 8. Glyndebourne Opera House, East Sussex, England, known for its world-class opera productions set in a picturesque countryside setting. 9. The Sage Gateshead, Gateshead, England, a modern concert venue known for its stunning architecture and diverse music programming. 10. Belfast Festival at Queen's, Belfast, Northern Ireland, a multidisciplinary arts festival featuring music, theatre, dance, and more. 11. The Royal Shakespeare Theatre, Stratford-upon-Avon, England, the renowned home of the Royal Shakespeare Company, showcasing exceptional theatrical performances. 12. Bath International Music Festival, Bath, England, a festival celebrating a wide range of music genres, from classical to jazz and world music. These attractions represent the vibrant music and performing arts scenes in the United Kingdom. Whether you find yourself immersed in the grandeur of Royal Albert Hall, enjoying live music at the Cavern Club, or exploring the diverse performances at the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, each venue promises an unforgettable experience. In summary, the United Kingdom's music and performing arts scene is a treasure trove of talent, creativity, and cultural significance. From iconic bands like the Beatles and the Rolling Stones to renowned venues and festivals, the country offers a multitude of opportunities to enjoy live music, theatre, opera, and more. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, Let's celebrate the music and performing arts of the United Kingdom with a poem. In the United Kingdom's vibrant land, where music and arts beautifully stand, from the Beatles' iconic melodies to the Rolling Stones' rock and roll reveries, Royal Albert Hall's majestic grace, where symphonies fill the sacred space, Edinburgh Festival Fringe's creative flair, a kaleidoscope of performances rare, Liverpool's Cavern Club, a legendary spot, where the Beatles' music became hot, the O2's grandeur, a spectacle of sound, where global artists astound, from classical opulence at Royal Opera House to Manchester Arena's energetic rouse, Celtic connections, a Celtic music blend, Glyndebourne Opera House, beauty to transcend, Sage Gateshead's architecture grand, Belfast Festival at Queen's, a vibrant strand, Royal Shakespeare Theatre, where plays unfold, Bath International Music Festival, stories untold, United Kingdom's music and performing arts, an enriching tapestry that forever imparts. From stage to concert halls, talents align. United in celebration, a harmonious sign. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.